the bell this night could be a living hell or just as well. Another opportunity, man, you're gonna take it. A day seems even my dreams without a change and a change in scene. I don't move. I wanna go eat dance tonight. I'll do the despair, the wrong and the right. I don't mind, I don't care who's there for the light. I get in, I get on out again on the groove. It's done and done and done and done. With the bell, this night could be a living hell or just as well. Another opportunity, you're gonna take it. A heap a dog and a heap a dog. It's done and done and done and done. With the bell this night could be a living hell or just as well. Another opportunity, baby, you're gonna take it. Thank you. Thanks everybody for sticking around.
Could I get a little bit more of me in the mic?
In the monitor.
I mean, not in this one. In that monitor. I have a cold, so my ears are plugged.
It's cold out.
Good thing we're the last band on that mic.
Yeah.
Yeah. Man, another round of applause for one last guest and Dan Dresser.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.